Dear friends, welcome to Learning Abode. In this video, I'm going to share recruitment information from about 7 different companies. But mostly these are like single location based hiring, but good companies and like good offers. First, I'll share the information from HCL. Now, this is the latest information, that is, this was posted just yesterday by one of the talent acquisition team members of HCL. Okay, so why I'm saying this, because like I've been last like few weeks I've been regularly posting information on HCL, and even a very similar information I had posted as a post in the channel 1 week back. Okay, so this form is another official form, and this is like more recent one. So but this is again a limited hiring. So HCL, they're hiring graduate engineer trainee. The salary offered is like 4.25 lakhs per annum. This is only for the 2022 batch BE, BTech, CSE, IT, ECE, EEE and E&I branches, and you are expected to have like minimum of 70% in 10th, 12th and graduation. And so the link is given in the description below. So in the form they are asking like the name, gender, contact number, email ID, and then like the address, like state, region, etc. Then your 10th mark details, 12th mark details, and then like UG details, like including specialization, and then UG percentage, and then like what is your highest graduation and all that. So this those who are eligible and willing to go for this can go for this, because like they have been continuously hiring in different locations like Noida, Lucknow, Nagpur, like Madurai. So these locations like last few months like continuously it's happening. Okay, so those who are willing to go for this can go for this, and this is like immediate joining, right? That's another advantage here. Now the next one, another recruitment that has been happening continuously. So Zoho, they are recruiting software developer, but this one, please remember the interview process, you have to be like physically present in the Chennai office on 6th of August 2022 Saturday, and the level 2 test also. Those who qualify the level 1 will attend the level 2 test on the same day. There will be level 2 will be a programming round. Okay, and so 2023 batch not eligible. The earlier batches can apply, like 2022, 2021, 2020 and so on. Like so these batches can apply. And so software developer, the job description like being the typical like software development life cycle stages, right? So like develop, test and implement new software programs, write clean and efficient code, etc. is what they have given. And then like so the direct form, apply form I've given in the description below, you can check that. So you've been asked for the name, mobile number, email ID, gender, year of graduation, total experience, and they they're asking for current CTC, etc. But if you're a fresher also, you can still like you can apply. And very importantly, like they're asking like which technology you are familiar with, like Java, C, C++, JavaScript, Python, Ruby, iOS. So which Android, C#, .NET. Okay, so or others, manual automation, Java backend development, Java full stack development, big data, machine learning, Selenium, Cucumber, black box, other. So they're giving like a lot of options. So whichever is relevant to you, you can just like fill it up and then apply for this. But please remember, you have to be like physically present for the hiring, right? Now the next one, Motorola, they're hiring software engineers, so you can easily expect around like close to 5 lakhs. Okay, maybe like 4 to 5 lakhs salary per annum. Mostly on the higher side you will get. Okay, now this information was posted like 2 days before, but this is limited only to like Bangalore location, and the requirement is for freshers. They have mentioned freshers, but with like computer science background, like CSE, IT and related graduates can apply for this. So freshers with computer science background having good programming and analytical skills, hands-on experience and exposure to programming in Python or Java, and have overall knowledge on programming and debugging is good. Okay, so Bangalore location, other details are not given. So this was posted like very recently, so those who are interested can just go for it, because these links may like disappear anytime soon, right? Now the next one, Capgemini, they are hiring network engineer. So like this is like a recurring happening. So even like I had posted it like many times in the last few months. Okay, see there are 2 apply links, one for engineering and MCA, another one for BCA, BSc. Okay, so like any specialization you can apply, but one link for the graduates like BSc, BCA, and another link for MCA and engineering. Okay, and in both they have mentioned like each has got like number of openings like 100, and for the BSc BCA the salary is like 2.75 lakhs, and for the engineering MCA it is like 4 lakhs per annum. Okay, but the location is only Gurgaon. So when you say network engineer, it is like the technical support role, and you can expect like night shift. Okay, because they have given like open for night shift, because tech support, as you know, like this kind of a like network support and all that, as you might know, it will involve like night shift at least a few weeks in a year, or a few days in a month you have to go for a night shift and all that. That is something that is possible. Okay, so you should be aware about that. And like if you have like CCNA certificate and all that, that's good, but even otherwise you can apply. So knowledge on networking technologies like routing and switching, collaboration, data center, wireless, security, cloud based support. Okay, so that will be good. Okay, right, so good communication and all that is required. So for the graduate, like 2.75 lakhs, BSc in any specialization, BCA in any specialization, right, the location is Gurgaon. And for the engineering and MCA, again the same location, the salary is like 4 lakhs per annum. So those who are interested can apply, and this hiring is happening through the firstnaukri.com. Okay, so Capgemini, they're hiring through the firstnaukri.com, right? So those who are interested, you can just go ahead and apply. And this is like more recent one, because they have been continuously hiring for this particular role through firstnaukri.com. Even as I said, I had earlier posted, but this is like, as you can see, it's like it was posted like 3 days ago, right? And the link is still active. And the next one, so Wipro, they are hiring open source specialist. The location is Bangalore. The last day to apply is 16th August 2022. Now this hiring is happening through the Unstop portal. Okay, so requirements they have given like regular full-time BE, BTech, MCA, MSc, BCA, BSc, BCom, diploma from a recognized institution is what they have given. In the responsibility, they have given like set up new open source projects that are offering unique capabilities, or supported by leading organization for assessment purpose, assess the project from a technical and a functional capability perspective, help to identify open source projects to be onboarded for tracking within the open source security lab, collaborate with the security architects to implement suitable code level security control measures for addressing the identified security gaps, etc. is what they have mentioned. Okay, so you can just go through this. Salary and other details not given. So again, the link to apply is given in the description below. Location Bangalore, Wipro, they are hiring. Okay. Now the next one, Volvo, they are hiring a graduate engineer. The last date is like 10th of August, right? And so preferred, like stream is like CSE, IT, electronics, and other relevant branches. Okay. So graduate engineer hiring by like Volvo. So engineering graduate from tier 2 and tier 1 college mandatory, solid written and verbal communication skills. Okay, so strong Java programming concepts and good in data structures, strong understanding of the Linux command and shell scripting, introduction to web services and Java platform, etc. is expected. So those who have these skills, you can go for this. Now this is like Bangalore. Okay, Bangalore location only, and last date to apply is 10th of August. So this is again a very good opportunity. Volvo hiring graduate engineer. Okay, so this again is on the software side, so those are interested can go for this. Now I have another a couple of like links. Okay, so one is technology specialist from Cognizant. Okay, Pune location. So you can just go through this. They're given like BSc, BCom, relevant diploma degrees in like CSE, electronics, and BE, right? So you can just go through this, see if it is suitable, and then like you can decide whether you want to go for this technology specialist. Cognizant hiring, Pune location. There is one more hiring by Cognizant for the Bangalore location, the programmer analyst. So programmer analyst and associate projects and all that. So these roles keep coming for different projects. Okay, so this is for like one such project in Bangalore, right? So Genesis pure cloud enablement and configuration, hands-on pure cloud technology suite applications development, web services integration, custom reports and all that. This is what they have given. Okay, and both these were posted like yesterday, like July 26th it was posted. Okay, so again, just go through this. If you find this relevant, okay, you can just go ahead and apply. And please remember, when you apply for these roles, I've said this in my earlier videos, you have to modify your resume. You have to have keywords, okay, that are relevant to the profile, because So this is not like applying in a for a like a direct fresher off campus. Okay, so this is not like applying in a superset profile. Okay, so this is slightly different. Okay, so they'll just go through, they'll try to, probably it is an AI screening and all that, wherein they may match the keywords of your resume with the keywords of the requirements and all that. Okay, so if you are applying for these roles, you have to like modify your resume in the sense. Okay, again, it's better if you have that particular skill, you can apply for that, otherwise you can wait for the other opportunities. Okay, now the last one, now this one I'm not, the date I'm not sure, that I couldn't find the dates. Okay, so IBM Kyndryl, they're hiring data engineer. Okay, for the locations like multiple location like Bangalore, Chennai, Pune, Hyderabad, Noida, etc., but I couldn't like confirm the dates. Okay, if you have experience it is good, but even if you don't have experience you can still apply. Okay, right, so if you have exposure and like Python, etc., you can just go ahead and then check this, whether if this is suitable for you. You can check, like and then you can decide if you want to apply. Okay, right, so skills include like Python, SQL, Linux, ELK stack and ETL. So if you have these skills, you can check whether you want to apply for this, but the link is very much active. Right, fine. So with this I come to the end of this video. I hope the information that I have provided here was useful to you. If you have any queries, please post your questions in the comment section below. Now if you are not already subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.